Today I want to give you my 5 reasons why you should buy a Surface Book 1 or 2 in 2021. Reason 1, price. These devices are retailing on eBay for anywhere between £200 or $250 to £400 and more, depending on the spec. And that's a bargain price for the quality of this device. So price is one of them. Second one is screen resolution. Screen resolution for if you were to buy a device, brand new, a laptop, you wouldn't get the screen resolution that this device has. This one has a 3000, so a kind of a 3K resolution on the screen this size. It's beautiful, nice and crisp. Reason 3, the dedicated GPU. So you've got a battery in the keyboard area, so you've got a battery and a dedicated GPU to speed up graphics. So if you do a lot of video, photo editing, games, obviously the games depends on the game. It's not suited for all games and very demanding graphics, but there's some dedicated GPU that make things a lot smoother. Reason 4 is the detachable. So you can detach it as a tablet, so by pressing this button here, and there's a button and you detach it, and now it's detached, and now I've got a tablet, so I don't need to carry around an iPad and a laptop. I've got both in one, and I've got all the Windows apps and reinsert it. Now, reason 5, and I think that's the most compelling for me, is that these devices initially came with, a lot of them came 128 gigabytes of SSD, and in my view that's not enough. So this one has got a 1 terabyte SSD, and the reason it has that 1 terabyte SSD is initially it came with a 256, I believe, 256, and I bought it with a broken screen. I watch on eBay, there's plenty of videos out there, people replacing screens. So at the same time, while I was replacing the screen, which I bought on eBay as well, replace the screen and replace the SSD. So it's got 1 terabyte. So this will make it more a long time device. So you'll be able to keep all your files in there, etc. So these are my 5 reasons why you should buy a Surface Book 1 or 2 in 2021. Thank you.